Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to appear as offline on your Nintendo Switch 2. If you want to appear as offline to your friends on Nintendo Switch 2, you can simply go to the settings. Now you'll find the users. Select the user you want to change the setting for. Now you'll find friend settings, and in the friend setting you'll find online status display. You can set it to all friends so everyone will see when you are online. You can also set it to best friends, so only the friends that you've marked as best friends will see if you're online. Other ones will see you as offline even if you're using your console currently. And if you set it to no one, then everyone will see you as offline all the time, no matter what state of your online or offline being is right now. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.